10-inch mini-bungee cord for use around the home, workshop, camping, etc. Premium grade, long-lasting rubber. Durable UV-resistant outer jacket. Steel hooks, comes in a jar. 20 bungee cords. This Keeper bungee cord has innumerable uses in the home, workshop, camping and more. The premium grade, long-lasting rubber cord features a durable, UV-resistant outer jacket, with reliable steel hooks. Keeper is the expert and leader in branded products and services people trust to ensure their personal property is reliably secured, transported, and stored. These well-engineered products are the most trusted to provide unique, simple solutions for specific everyday needs, offering reliability, security, safety, and ease of use. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great price, quick shipping, perfect function to secure pet water bottles and more. We'll buy again. Thank you.